Okay, so I've ordered my new t-shirt, Hell Can Wait, I'm Riding. So it's arrived obviously, so let's have a look at what we got. So nothing in the bag. Ooh, little note. And let's see what it's like. So it's a Bella canvas t-shirt in black. First impressions is it's very soft. That graphic looks really good. I'm very pleased with the graphic. Oh, that's come out really nice. So let's turn it round so you can see it. So black Bella canvas t-shirt, and it says Hell Can Wait, I'm Riding. So next thing to do is to try it on. Okay, so here we are. I've got my t-shirt on. This is an extra large, and to be honest, some t-shirts are quite short, but this has got absolutely loads of length. It's very comfortable. There's room in the arms, and to be fair, it's very, very soft. I think that's one of the things about Bella canvas t-shirts, they are very soft. As for the graphic, this too is soft. Some graphics can be quite crispy and hard and not very comfortable, but this, you wouldn't actually know there was a graphic on this shirt as such when you're wearing it. The graphic detail is incredible. I'll move forward slowly so that the camera can pick it up, but as you can see around the skull there's lots of very fine lines, and they've come out clean and crisp, and the actual solid areas where there's text and colour, it's beautifully printed. There isn't a fault to be seen anywhere. So as far as the quality of print goes, it's fantastic. So am I pleased? Absolutely 100%. It's a great t-shirt, and I'm loving the design. So if you'd like to see more designs like this, you can see more at classicbritishmotorbikes.com, where you'll see a range of t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, etc. And obviously there's designs like this, but also specialising in old British motorcycles. Thanks very much. Bye.